where we walked through the other day. For them, like yeah.
No, you can fit answer those two questions if you want to.
Have you filled in many to do though? 7.
7? Why have we got one? Cymru, volunteering. Would you like to fill in the question? You don't have to do that. That's just information about it.
That's fine.
Danielle and I volunteer for Shelter Cymru. Foot in the door.
Hi, I'm Zoe, volunteer for Shelter Cymru Foot in the Door project.
Hi, I'm Adam and I volunteer for the Shelter's Foot in the Door project.
Hi, I'm Rachel, volunteering for the Shelter Cymru Foot in the Door project. I got involved through the Base project in Swansea.
I got involved from my support worker Rachel at the Base project Swansea and I thought it was a good opportunity.
I got involved through the Shelter project through my best friend Danielle because it's the type of thing I'd be interested in.
Involved by doing a workshop with Gary from Cymru.
I got people to sign up for the Now is the Time campaign.
I did a workshop on my life experiences.
I went around asking people to fill in the volunteering questionnaires.
I helped pass out our information at the shelter stand.
Been to 2 conferences, had more confidence and met loads of new people.
Attended 2 conferences and met loads of new people.
Because of the project, I've been to North Wales for the first time.
I did a live performance at the Grand Hotel in North Wales.
I've learned that people in suits ain't snobs.
I've always got a voice and people are always willing to listen to me. I feel like I've made a valuable contribution.
Made a difference to myself and others.
I've learned to always bring a jumper because it's really cold in North Wales.
The noisiest roommate, turn all the lights on and just not waking up on time and that. Yeah. And she snores as well.
I learned that you have to be really persistent to get the things you want, like a well done steak.
I'd like to do more volunteering with people with mental health issues.
I like to do further volunteering with a project called Interplay, which is for children with physical and learning difficulties.
I like to stay involved to keep my sister on the right tracks.
I want to get work experience with other young people so I can become a social worker.
This is my other friend, is it? So,
He worked!
Fuck!